What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome Bowling Green, Kentucky, the NMRA World Finals, Holley Intergalactic Super Special Extraordinaire Day. And look, guys, I do videos every year of these events, and the one thing that I don't do a lot of is the car show. So today we're showing as much as I possibly can of this car show because it goes all the way up around the corner and actually beyond that. So today I'm just going to show you some of the cars on the car show because there's so many cool things like Ford swap Javelins and Cobras and F-350 dualies with semi-truck wheels, and even Dover's even here. So yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. Let's go. Well, 4i, yeah, hey, I like 4i, guys.
I'm watching YouTube, man.
Oh, do you? Okay, so that's a third person that's watching my channel. I know somebody was watching. Good to meet you guys. What are we working on today?
Place this mirror, man.
Oh, I hear you. Did you pick something up in the swap meet?
Yeah, 20 bucks.
I love it, dude. This is how you do it, you know, just a little bit at a time. Okay, so this is pretty hot. What do you think? SN95, I'm not sure what color that is, but that is sweet. All right, you see anything catching your eye?
Not yet.
Look at the old Galaxy with the cow hood. That is freaking awesome. And this is the Bimini Blue. Remember we talked to him yesterday?
Nice.
Yeah. Definitely need to swap those. If you're watching, let me help you out with those headlights. Man, the paint's beautiful. Interior's in really good shape. I'm gonna need to walk away from this one. Interior's very nice. Still got the stock radio. Yeah, we need to get away from this car. We'll be swapping them coming home with a blue car. What do you think? No, probably not. This car, every year I get pictures of this car, even though I've taken pictures of it every year. Super rare Capri. It's like it gets better every year too. This car is super clean. Even got the Marty report, and it is one of 469 Black Magic Capris. Oh, that is super cool. Super neat car. Look at this Mach 1. Good night. I'm telling you, the Mach 1s are quickly. I want a Mach 1. You want a Mach 1?
Yeah, one.
That's beautiful. My Lord. Wow. This is so clean. This is so freaking clean. Got the billet specialties on it. That is sick. And this color is insane. Wow. Look at that. I'm trying to catch it with the camera.
That's amazing.
Jeez. This color, guys, I wish the camera would pick this up. You can kind of catch it right there. That's incredible. Dude, the Terminators are out in force today. A little Procharged Cobra. Very nice. Clean little GT. And of course the Mr. Chrome. Hold on. I almost didn't see this one. Terminator swapped. I guess it's a 70. I think it's a 70. Yeah, 70. With a Terminator swap, and then right next to it. God. Man. And it's in immaculate shape. Wow. And then another Terminator and another Terminator. Yep. And see, he's got the driver's seat, still got all of the Mr. Chrome in it. So, yeah, this thing's in really nice condition. Even got the JLT painted Mr. Chrome. Oh, yes. And the Gen 1 Lightning with the chrome. I'm telling y'all, I got a feature video of a Gen 1 Lightning coming soon. Man, that thing's clean. And then the Comp Orange Mach 1 right next door. I'm good with this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm good with this. Man, it's hard to keep it up. Over there, look, got Nick Strong's Marauder right there. Yeah, this Terminator's here every year, and this thing is just, I'm throwing shadows here, but this thing is immaculate. God. Got the True Forged. I think those are chicanes, but this is a 10th anniversary car. Man. Yeah, that's beautiful. Those freaking RTR wheels are badass too. Little on 3 action. Good, got the SVs. Good looking car. Very nice. What about this one? You want this one? No? Man, it just goes on for days. That's clean as a 95 right there. The ones you can't find. That's GT. It's like this one's under construction. Oh, look at this notch. Another on 3. No, maybe that's not on 3. I don't think that's on 3. Either that or he's done some work on the modifying the kit. But I actually got a line to I was told last night via Instagram I need to look at this car, and I'm pretty sure he wasn't lying. Golly. Got the Mondo blow off outs, V1, System Max intake. At a Motec system exhaust. I'm just kidding, just kidding. Wow. Very nice. Oh man. Hey guys, I'm telling you, the Comp Orange, we might need to consider some Comp Orange.
For an autocross shootout.
Okay, they're doing autocross, guys. Sorry for the noise, but man, that carbon fiber though. And he's got the gold. I don't even know what wheels those are, but that is sick. That's not even my style either, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but that is insane. Alright guys, and one of my all-time favorite cars that come out here is this freaking 86 SVO Illuminator Coyote. It's a Gen 2 Whipple. I think it's a Gen 2 Whipple, yeah. 2.3. Oh my god. Yeah. Got the Willwood brakes, welds. This thing is crazy. It's a stick. Got the race pack in the dash. It's like the K Designs rear seat delete. I need to look into that. Wow, very nice. And sorry for all the background noise, guys. I guess they're getting ready to do some autocross stuff over there. But right now, all we're focusing on is the car show because there's so much cool stuff to see. You know I got to show this one off.
I don't want to say anything about y'all moving, I promise.
Old school Powerdyne. Don't see many of those anymore. Even got the Holley Ford Fest windshield banner. All murdered out. Good looking car. A little Procharged Gen 3. And a bright Atlantic blue. This would have to be a 99. Wow. It's got the Trek Flow top end, looks like. Vortec. That is wild. And this, of course, is probably the most hated color on all New Edge cars ever.
I can't do it.
It's called Aztec Gold.
Yeah.
No Aztec Gold for you.
All right,
bro.
ladies.
Great job.
Guys, I know you really can't hear me, but we're going to continue on with the car show. You can see.
Haley said she
Holy
wants
crap.
462.
Look at this thing. Wild Strawberry.
Lots of stuff.
Oh my God, on the Pony R's.
Very rare that you will have a
This thing
driver
is
say,
clean.
exactly what I want, and I won't settle for anything else.
To have to wear a mask and do all those things. I have my mask right here.
Very
Haley
nice.
James from the War Eagle.
I was
You can see the
surprised,
sun
but
catching
they
it. The
did.
true blue bullet.
So,
Oh my God.
We owe it to the racetrack.
Guys, I'm telling you, somebody needs to paint their Fox true blue.
To do the same thing. So I need all of you guys to be good and in the mask
Super
zone
clean
like
bullet.
these two fine
We're
gentlemen.
starting to
Wearing your masks
make our way
also.
through all this,
You
guys.
up
This
there
is
at the
crazy.
top, remember to come see me, okay, when we're done with the shootout.
There's
I will
so
be right
many
on
cars
here.
in
You
this
guys come
show.
see me. Okay.
Guys, you already know. I know you can't hear me over the announcers, but you already know.
For the shootout. Jimmy Day is like, Chad, stop talking to the people in the grandstand. I have stuff to do. And I'm paying no attention to them whatsoever. But now we are getting ready. So we have our list, and we're good to go.
3.7 seconds at 165 miles an hour.
Guys, if you ever have to wonder why Reef Blue is my favorite color, I mean, I don't need to say anything else. I mean,
Some great stuff about the electric coverage that literally
that is freaking amazing. Interesting front end. I can't tell what front end that is, but it looks like a 94, 95 GT. SV wheels. Super clean interior. That is awesome.
James Thomas.
Stereo system. This one too's got a bunch of custom work done to it. Whole rear bumper is custom. I really actually kind of like all this carbon fiber along the bottom. Anything different, guys, I'm telling you. That is super cool. And this, it was actually, I don't know what the date is on this, but it was in the magazines back in the day. It's like 94, 95. That is so cool. Yeah, old school magazine car. Terminator swap with the VMP. Wow. That is crazy. That is sharp. Very sharp. Look at that. How about this red?
Yeah.
Not sure what year this is. Maybe a 69. Big block. That is sharp. Okay, guys, you already know. You already know. The two-tone. Oh, and I know this guy. I can't remember his name. He's Will Cooper's buddy. But he's got the Vortec on it now. And of course, the epic two-tone. My God, it's nice. Guys, this car is amazing. Oh, yeah. Wow. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, take notes. This is done right. This is done right. Wow. Alright, here we go, boy. Dash swap. Got the dyno running over there. Very nice, sir. Very nice. Wow. Very cool. Brand new car. Yeah, like you can't even imagine how big those brakes are. You think S550 GT brakes are big? What's on the front of an S550 standard is those that's on the rear. That is crazy. And of course, guys, every year I got to see Jamie's car, and he actually just got the Procharger on it. So Jamie, if you're watching, car, man, it looks great. One of my all-time favorite cars right here. Got the CCWs. Of course, it's a 4i, and you can see, guys, this thing is freaking mint.
Yeah, it's nice.
You gotta love the CCWs. God bless. 2 thumbs way up. So what is different out here? The Mach 1s, definitely, I got my eyes on the Mach 1s. There is so many S550s. They're cool cars, they're super cool cars. Super clean little hatch. That's, the GT350 is beautiful.
I like those wheels.
Nice Thunderbird, clean bird on temps. There's Jason's, oh God. This is Jason's car. Man, he's got it looking good. Super badass as always, Jason. All right, boys, you know we're hot on the F-150s right now. Let's see what he's got. Oh, he's got a Roush. We just need to do one of these. Yeah, I like this. Very nice. We got another Thunderbird here. Look, I think the retro, or the, not retro, the alternative Foxes are making a comeback. What do you think? Put you in a Thunderbird? It's even got the Marshall lights on it.
No.
No? Okay. Another clean Mach 1. God, look at the color on this Fox. So guys, this is why I want to do this video, because I never spend any time in the car show and you would miss out on all this badassery, because there's a lot of super cool stuff out here. Another Whipple chart. We got to check this thing out. Looks like we got a Whipple on this beast. KMC wheels. I'm gonna get Dover over here to look at this thing. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is what Dover needs to put on his. Alex, you too. 3.62 pulley. So he's got her pulley down a little bit. Man, this is sick. And the 18 front end. I don't know why. Seriously, I think this is the first 93 Cobra we've seen out here. Wow. Yeah, that one's in exceptional shape. I'm not sure what year Mustang this is, but yeah. It's got like a catfish body conversion, something. Oh, guys, I'm telling you, this car is super cool. Kentucky State. Kentucky State treatment car. Wow. He's got all the memorabilia in there. Hat, equipment. 85 model. Try not to throw shadows. Don't see many 4i SSPs. Guys, here's another thing. If you want to know what's hot right now, these little courier trucks are hot. This thing is so cool. Like a matte red finish dumped on the Moonies. Oh, and the pinstripe. That is so cool. You want one, don't you? You don't want one? No, okay. I want one. Look, there it is. I told him, I promised him I'd get him on the video. And see, he did the wrap, did the camo wrap. So I had to shout out my man. Got the new Edge looking good. Got the drag pack on the back. Yes, sir. Digging the camo. Guys, this right here, this is epic. This is epic. Boom. This is like Mr. Hankey's like evil cousin or something. I don't know. Hit the gut, gave it a little patina with the sander. Got a boost leash and everything. This is super cool. Super cool. That's probably like one of those eBay twin turbo kits, and he's making it work. I bet this thing will hurt some feelings too. This is too much fun. They're all getting ready to do some drifting out there, guys. That's gonna be an awesome show too. Too cool. So there you go, guys. It has been insane today. Yeah. Absolutely amazing time. I hope you guys enjoyed the car show. Huge shout out to everybody in the car show. You guys, the cars look great. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, and we're gonna go watch drifting later.